I did not record that. Anyways, this is Supercell EAS along with
Phoenix EAS.
Champ. North Cal man. South Cal man. But
North Cal
f you.
Gladly.
I hate my life.
The devious effort known as the 12 covers Imperial County as per usual.
right.
Imperial has me what? And I am EAS for 100 in Los Angeles County. And me and the M12 it just had a legendary moment last night.
For Chandler PD.
No.
Silver alert has been issued for Chandler.
All right. And today we are going to be okay.
Chandler PD.
Okay, we get it. We know the Chandler alert for PD's been issued, but a weather radio came, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it.
Chandler alert for PD. I never really looked at a Chandler alert. Damn. Why am I an alert?
Okay. And this is what is inside. And it's in bubble wrap, of course. And this, my friends, is what I got right here. I gotta turn on the video.
Hey, take this and shove it up your.
Excuse me.
Wasn't talking to you.
Oh, okay. But yeah, anyways, this is what I got.
You know that guy could save 50% or more car insurance.
This is, my friends, is the RadioShack 12-249. The first ever plug-in radio that I ever have. I'm talking about the AC cable, not the barrel connector.
Flash flood emergency. Everyone's probably jerking off to that.
And yeah, it's a really cool thing right here. I'm glad I got it. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in somewhere and see if we're able to do that. But before, we are going to press all the buttons and flick all the switches, cause
No, we aren't.
sorry, too late.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, alert tone volume. Oh, that's interesting. I see. Anyways, here's the radio right here. We're going to go ahead and plug it in. We're going to test it out, and we're going to go ahead and see if it works.
That's partners.
Alright. Alright. Thankfully, I got a spot open on my surge protector with the computer desk. I'll go ahead and see if it turns on. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so it does work. Look at this, you guys. Oh, sorry, I gotta put the camera on. It works.
Which one did you, I thought it was for a second.
Jeez.
Everything is Geo at this point. And he overpriced
You try to live stream it, it actually get down for some.
I think we gotta change the channel.
Blame him.
Shut up!
If you want to cut this out for John,
Also, look at this.
blame him for putting radios up for, because that's how much of the work these things can advance.
Alright, I'm gonna have to
I'm gonna feel the same way.
try to see how to operate this thing. Hold on, give me a few seconds. Oh, we're gonna set that to program.
Let's keep the spam friendly.
Press whether to turn on the.
You know what? I don't give a shit anymore. I'm gonna become a furry. Confirm now. Yo!
Where did you go?
In a BC.
As you make your selection.
He just came out as a furry.
What did he say?
He said he's a furry.
Oh, wow.
I said, you know what, fuck this, I'm tired of being told that you seem a furry, I don't go fucking more.
Dang, the button beeps on this radio are loud as heck.
14, 15.
Been in this cave for a while, and I can't seem to
45
find any
seconds during steps 4 through 8. What the radio exits the programming mode, saves only those changes stored before the last key
In my
press.
workplace, I mean, what?
Huh? The chest? What's this?
It's a gun.
You know we're gonna have to take that, man.
As you make your selection.
Look above me. Documents already? Jeez, man, I'm just lucky.
Oh, this is at channel 7.
This thing is destructive.
Alright, so we got a frequency right here, channel 1. Voice, I think we'll leave it at voice. Continuous backlight.
Hey, your status. Make that your status. Torcon, make the furry thing your status.
Alright, now it's going to ask me for the FIPS code. To reset the weather radios to receive. I'm making a video right now.
Is it beeping?
Yeah, it works. To reset the weather radio to receive all same signals within the 50-mile radius, simply enter the code 99 in the first memory position.
Hey, Superstar. Turn on the speaker.
Yes? Yes, what do you call me for?
Did you make home?
I have changed my status.
Jake. Yeah. Tarkan is.
Oh, whoa. Now I get to say this all the time.
Did Recox say woo woo in an anti-furry force facility?
Use the
again?
number keys to enter the... Yes, we're going to do 99 in the first memory position. I guess I'll write down all 9 so that it will just activate for all frequencies and all channels.
Hang on, if it's set. But if you're going to be monitoring TIG 78, wouldn't it just be helpful to put in the text then? Right now, my 268 is monitoring multiple counties, not just Riverside.
I think a flat fuck mode is again.
Oh yeah, and when we're done, we're just going to put that back to the upright position. And we're getting a good signal on channel 1. But yeah, we got it all programmed and all ready to go. And the backlight also works. So
I'm gonna revive furry suit now.
So yeah, that's basically going to be it for the weather radio. We do not. No, or be sure you place the weather alert. Tester demo 21. Oh, this could be wall mounted. However, I did not receive the radio with the wall mountable things. Listen to the broadcast, blah blah blah. Alert function. Set the weather radio to sound alert when the National Weather Service broadcasts a weather warning. Watch your statement for the FIPS codes during the memory plus alert so weather then alert on appears. If you program more than one FIPS code into memory, if severe wet funds, do not wait for an alert tone. Turn on the weather broadcast and monitor the weather information.
Come on, another last EDI. I'm pinging it.
Voice or alert.
I need somebody to buy me a furry suit. I have no money.
Guess what's there? They cost
$200.
For voice, the weather radio sounds an alert for about 8 seconds, then automatically turns on the weather broadcast. Yeah, I put that on voice. Weather alert descriptions: tornado watch, tornado warning, severe thunder watch, or severe thunderstorm watch. Severe thunder warning, severe thunderstorm warning. Severe weather statement.
Severe thunder warning. Does that mean the thunder's gonna be severe?
Yeah, that's what it's going to stay. Instead of severe T-storm warning, it says severe thunder warning, like some other radios do. Sometimes it does beeps for a statement and siren for all that other stuff. Blizzard warning, nuclear attack warning, tune TV, severe marine warning, evacuate immediate, emergency action warning. I'm like, all this is coming from the manual.
What are these damn warnings that are in this thing?
Overlapping alerts, blah blah blah. Daily test required weekly or so for the required weekly or monthly same test we'll hear beeps. Daily tester demo.
It's in 216.
Never knew that existed until now, but whatever. Oh, test mode 0 for new alert type. Sound the siren. Blah blah blah.
Required daily testing.
Now it's gonna ask me how to do the test mode.
I'll be right back.
Continuous backlight. You have the backlight off right now. But yeah, I think we got the radio set up and completely working. It was on channel 7. This specific radio came from Minneapolis, believe it or not. So now it's gonna keep saying weather alert on, replace battery over and over again. I don't know, but he has responded. He has put in 5 FIPS codes onto a sticker in the radio. So it could possibly be Gooman's 249 if he's had any. If this is yours, respond in the if this was yours, respond in the comments below. If this specific one was yours, but anyways, that is it for the setup for the 12-249. I'm going to be plugging this in somewhere else so that I'll be able to see it. But yeah, that's basically it for the video. Stay tuned for more Supercell EAS content. Like, comment, and subscribe. And subscribe to all of these wonderful YouTubers right here.
Subscribe to South Carolina when your mom's gonna catch you watching porn.
Ignore that.
Don't subscribe to me. Subscribe to the new furry. Yes, please subscribe to me.
Subscribe to my channel, or I will use an Inyo pod to take over Imperial County.
No! Why?
Subscribe to all of these channels or else.
Please subscribe to me because I officially became a furry and this would be
Respect all furries, you guys. I'm not one, but I'm one that respects them. Anyways.
Ew. I keep going that one.
We're all devious. Let's just be real.
Yes. Who's gonna?
I guess, yeah.
Who will be the next furry? That's the question.
M12.
I was about to say, will it be the M12 or Supercell EAS?
M12.
Not going for it. M12. Anyways, that is the unboxing and setup of the 12-249. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more content. That's it.
Sounds like the M12 does not approve of him becoming the next furry.
No.
Anyways, that's it, you guys.